Hello, my name is Azimi. You can see my number and can send me a message in Telegram. We wanna use projection surface finishing strategy in Powermill for this model. First of all, we must carefully, very carefully, see the all of Richardson's model. We must consider the critical areas, critical region of model, like this: pocket beside wall. Yeah, it is critical. Here, but this region is not critical. You can use. Excuse me. There was a bug of software Autodesk Powermill 2019. It's very good. If you see this warning, Powermill warning projected, this is open read only. Why we do for fix this problem? I close project, go to the project file folder, and delete the log file, and again drag drop project to software. Save. So we say we have some critical regions on the model. Yeah, and it's very important. The pocket like this beside wall. This is critical, but this pocket is not very critical. Why? Because wall is not very high, and if our tool axis, yeah, tool axis in this machine. So if this pocket are not very deep, or wall beside the pocket is not very high, this ratio is not important, not critical from our surface, because we must create a great surface for projection surface finishing strategy, and so on. Why this is not very important? It's not critical because if the tool axis in must be this or this or this, can see the pocket and can see excuse me, and can the machine this pocket. Yeah, so this relation is not important for us. But I said to you, this pocket and this pocket is very important, and in fact it's a critical area, critical region in this model. Why? We can see. If I drawing the tool axis, you can see this pocket. Your tool must be vertical to see this pocket, and to a machine here, and like this. Yeah, But if your tool axis has angle with the model, or in fact your model rotate here, tool axis can see the tip of this pocket. We can see here. So tool axis must be vertical in this direction to see the pocket and machine. I like this pocket and this pocket, but here it's not important. And in fact, a model can rotate in here, so your tool can see all of parts, all of regions here, and can machine here. So I see some critical regions that we have to notice what those in create surface. Here is important, here, and here. Other regions is not very important. Other regions can see if our model rotate, we can see all of pockets, so tool axis can see. So CNC machine in CNC machine model, if rotate, tool can machine of all of these directions. Well, we create a surface in PowerShape software that installed automatically beside Powermill. For that, I right click on model and select copy, go to PowerShape, and Ctrl plus V or paste. So as we used to. Autodesk Powermill have has many bugs, but if you use 2010 version, it's very better. Ctrl plus V, paste the model on in the PowerShape, Powermill modeling. In fact, I see the top view. First of all, I create a work plan. Here, select 0 space 0 space 0. Or what? First X, Y, Z, 0, 0, 0, and enter.